Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be super exciting because I am going to take a test drive of BMW 2 Series M Sports right here in Belgaum. This car is all about performance, luxury and that M DNA. So I thought why not to share this whole experience with you guys. So buckle up, let's hit the road.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity.
So guys, let's start the vlog. और यहाँ पे ब्यूटी सो गाइस, इसका मैं आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट दिखाता हूँ, ये क्यों अट्रैक्ट करता है इतना. सी द फ्रेमलेस डोर्स. स्पोर्ट्स का बैचिंग भाई.
He looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this.
कुठली गाडी रे?
BMW.
To the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't you better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes one. To the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't you better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better so.
तो गाइस, जैसे कि बोला था, टाइम सबका आता है और आ गया. Let's open the door.
It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved.
गाड़ी मस्त है.
गाड़ी मस्त है.
थोड़ा फ्यूचर ज़्यादा दिया है इसने. पहले था 2 सीरीज में एडेप्टिव हेडलाइट और 360 कैमरा और डिजाइन में देखिए.
वो तो है सब कुछ, बट चलाने के लिए कैसी गाड़ी. सबको पुरानी BMW और अभी में क्या फ़र्क समझ में आता है? आप तो BMW के शोफर ड्राइवर हो, तो आपको क्या फील होता है?
मेरे को फील होता है पहले का इंजन 2 पॉइंट था.
हाँ
अभी का 1.5 इंजन में इतना पावर है.
हाँ
तो इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग ना.
हाँ. आपने तो बहुत ज़्यादा चलाई है 2 सीरीज.
हाँ,
सबसे ज़्यादा चलाई है, राइट?
यस.
आप रिकमेंड करते हो ये गाड़ी को?
ऑफ कोर्स, व्हाई नॉट.
Old one or new one?
न्यू वन.
New one.
ऑफ कोर्स न्यू वन.
And I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, these goddamn food stamps don't buy diapers. And there's no movie, there's no Mackay.
थँक यू सो मच. हात दुखला का तुमचा?
नाही तसं.
थोडे फोटोज काढूया.
Feed and water my seed plus. See the thought I caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her. Too much for me to wanna stay in one spot. Another damn monotony's gotten me to the point I'm like a snail. I've got to formulate a plot or end up in jail or shot. Success is my only motherfucking option. Failure's not. Mama love you, but this trailer's got to go. I cannot grow old in Salem's lot. So here I go, it's my shot. Feet fail me not. This may be the only opportunity that I got.
Back home after an amazing ride, but honestly, BMW never disappoints. If you are someone who is looking for performance and luxury, this car is a solid choice for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Till then, drive safe and take care.
BMW.